My scooter just arrived today, and I'm getting ready to put it together. I'm putting it out the box. Get it. Now stuff in here. I gotta get it out the box. This is the charger that comes with it. I paid like $400 for it. If I could get it out the box, I tried a week ago, it worked already. Okay, that's what it looks like a little bit. This is the dog. I have some more up in here. This is the
kit.
The instructions, and I have a VIP card that comes with it. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna find out. I don't know what this is. Okay, now I'm finna cut it out the plastic in a second. So I can get ready to put it together. This is the honey water. Put a lot of stuff in here. This is kind of sort of what it's going to look like. This goes out here, and I think it's already connected. All these cords go there and here. It's just right. So that's the bill. Look at the bill. And this cord goes in here. Like this. Got to get it in there. Now, well, I'm supposed to stand it up. I'm gonna take this plastic off. So we're gonna lock it like that. I'm gonna put this cord down here. I think it's already hooked up. So I have to take these out, but these are gonna be screwed back in with handlebars. I'm gonna need that yellow wrench.
And this right here is a hook you can hang your keys on or your bag on. Like I did, I hung my keys on it.
Like this, you hold it down and it comes on. Now each one of these handlebars has to be stable, so you have to put a screw in it. So these are the screws for the handlebars. So I think I'm gonna put the front on first. I think this is not the right thing. I have to do this when I get ready to use it. But I gotta get them in the hole first. I got one of them in. That's gonna line the other ones up. Once I get that one screwing in, I think it's this one. That's not it. It's not as big as the other ones, but it's one of these that turns that thing. Probably gonna be this one.
Will it be this?
No, I'm gonna use these. You're right, cause that thing.
What about this screwdriver in my hand?
What?
This small screwdriver. I think you use the Allen wrench.
No, you use these. That's why they come with it. These came with it. I have an Allen wrench set, but I can't fit out for one of these, so I'll just use theirs if I can get it open. And they have extra screws in it in case you lose them, which I like that. Because these are only 4 that I got over here that goes in there. And it goes, which is perfect. So, and they give me an extra Allen wrench. Because it's only one that turns it. And this one goes in there.
You gotta screw it in real tight, or it'll come out.
Okay. Oh, they're gonna screw it in. And now I'm gonna do the back part. And they're gonna screw in so they can paste. Okay. Now this one should be easier to screw in because it's not nothing in my way like it was in the front. I'm gonna put gauges right there. Stickers. gauge is right here on the side. On both
You gotta tighten it in,
Cover
Terrence.
that up. Then going for a test drive.
So y'all will see that in the next clip. Him going for a test drive. That's gonna be a whole separate video by itself. Right, Terrence?
Right. I'm gonna come here and cut my porch out.
Terrence. Terrence.
Oh,
How long you have to tighten that up? And how long does it go?
let's go for a while.
How long does it go?
28 miles.
Take the paper off the bottom.
Something like that. No. Hold up.
I got it. How do you lock it?
I gotta do the app. I gotta lock stuff off.
So this how it, so this, how you lock it?
Wait a minute, Carl. Yeah, she tell you gotta go to the app to lock it.